This is where you'll find a taste of Japanese culture near the Mexican border. Yamaguchi Ramen has a jam-packed menu with various appetizers, desserts, and ramen combinations that will definitely leave you with an impression. And this is all while you're surrounded by various anime figures, shows, and manga chapters there on the tables. In this video, we're going to give you a quick tour around the restaurant, show you what it's like inside the kitchen, and give you an insight on what the food tastes like. And Caesar did awesome by asking all the employees, cooks, and the owner what some of their favorite things on the menu were.
We should get something crazy too.
What's that, like what?
I don't know, dude, Jacob, what's crazy? What's crazy on the menu again?
But while he did that, Jay and I took a browse around the restaurant to see what it was like. One of the things that first caught my attention were the lanterns on the ceiling, and the humongous TVs hung on each side of the restaurant. On one side, you have the bar with the various mixers, drinks, and other things that you can get, while they had some sports running, if you're into that kind of stuff. They had this huge wall of anime art, which turns out was all hand-painted by a local artist. But the thing that really got my attention was the hallway in the back.
All right, so one of the cool things about this place is this like neon hallway. I mean, like, check it out. Freaking, it just has all kinds of like artsy stuff, like big old Godzilla over here.
Resembling what seemed like Shinjuku from what I remember. And then all these neon signs were just like popping in front of me. But then I remembered I should probably go check on Caesar and see what he was up to. When I found him, it seemed like Caesar made some pretty good progress on his mission.
Spicy lobster.
That's that one?
Yeah, that's that one. The fries, fried ice cream.
Oh, hell yeah.
The vegan.
But it might have been way too good, because with the list we accumulated, it was almost everything on the menu. So then we just ended up on deciding on a few popular choices that grabbed our attention, like the appetizer sampler, the furikake fries, some desserts for later, and then their special BYOB. No, not the alcohol kind, but the build your own bowl kind, which you can add any ingredient, whether it's like tempura, meat, naruto, green onions. You can basically ask for anything you want and you can make a bowl to your liking. And then we got started cooking.
This is gonna be crazy.
And the kitchen was a ton of fun. Everyone was cracking jokes left and right. People were making fire just because they could. Like, I'm not kidding. There's no food in that pan. He's literally just doing it because it's a big flame of fire. He did it safely, of course. The boilers were boiling, the ramen was cooking, the designers were designing, and the food was coming out crazy quick.
Yo, you guys are fast with this.
We were getting so excited seeing all this food come out, but then we quickly realized that this was way too much food for the three of us to eat, even if there were two athletes on the crew. So we thought it'd be great to ask some of the off-duty employees to join us for a meal. So we threw 2 tables together, and now it's time for some B-roll magic. Or at least I think it's magic. To start us off, we have a variety sampler with dumplings, fried chicken, and furikake fries. And immediately following up with a BYOB special, which we packed with add-ons. All this food was a ton of fun to eat. With the combination of various ingredients you can make your food with, it can be as simple or complex as you'd like. Fried, grilled, crunchy, soft, saucy, or straight. They even have some kids meals for the young ones, like green onion chicken ramen or their teriyaki and white rice bowls. But regardless, everything is super filling.
Look at that.
But you know, even with that, there's always room for dessert. I couldn't believe it, but they were able to blow my mind again. They had fried ice cream, taiyaki, mochi ice cream, and their yuzu cheesecake. That's right, yuzu syrup is drizzled all over that beauty. I was so excited taking all of this to the table. But then I found out some shocking news. Jay and Caesar abandoned me. They left me all alone to eat these desserts. Okay, now listen. I have no problem with this any other time, but I literally just stuffed my face in the scenes prior to this.
That was insane.
However, you gotta do what you gotta do. And you gotta do it for the tube. And if you have all of this delicious food sitting right in front of you, you must consume it. And so I did. The fried ice cream with matcha powder and strawberry ice cream sent me to the heavens. The taiyaki with its simple but yet nostalgic child flavors with the vanilla ice cream filling set me in just the right cozy mood. The mochi ice cream with its mango chewy outside and sweet ice cream interior was a really good snack. And finally, the yuzu cheesecake, which called to me immediately, with the bright red cherry, the pure white whipped cream, and the yuzu syrup drizzled all over. So good. And that's Yamaguchi Ramen. So if you're in the area, come and check it out.
That was Yamaguchi Ramen, everybody. Hope you had a fun time.
Bye.